Mahigit doble po ang itinaas ng kita ng GMA Network sa unang 6 na buwan ng taon. Yan po ang masayang ibinalita ng Kapuso Network sa quarterly briefing kanina. At nakatutok si Bernadette Reyes.
Tumaas na 116% ang net income ng GMA Network sa unang 6 na buwan ng 2016, katumbas ng 2.378 billion pesos na kita. Masaya itong ibinalita ni GMA Network Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, GMA President and COO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr., GMA Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong, at GMA Chief Marketing Officer Lizelle G. Maralag sa stockholders meeting kanina.
Maganda, lalo na yung mga advertisers natin, binibili yung ating mga programs. And our ratings are increasing.
Tumaas naman ng 32% ang consolidated revenues o katumbas ng 8.760 billion pesos dahil sa mga political ads at iba pang advertisement.
Based on what we actually delivered in July and based on the opening numbers we have in August, we are very optimistic that we will be able to sustain the beautiful numbers you have in Q2.
Ang operating expenses bahagya lang tumaas ng 7%.
It will be noticed that the costs as we speak are already being mitigated in prime time by the introduction of a canned or a licensed program that is airing back-to-back with Encantadia.
Pagdating naman sa ratings, nananatili pa ring number 1 ang GMA sa Urban Luzon at Mega Manila base sa Nielsen TV audience measurement. Sa Urban Luzon, nakakuha ang GMA ng 39.6% household audience share, mas mataas sa 31.4% ng ABS-CBN. Sa Mega Manila naman, 41.8% household audience share ang hawak ng GMA laban sa 28.1% ng ABS-CBN.
Taos-puso tayo nagpapasalamat sa ating mga view all the time.
Bernadette Reyes, nakatutok, 24 oras.